Hello traders, and welcome to the basics of day trading. So today we're going to be talking about what a profitable day trader does, and I've also provided some resources at the end of this video that will help you guys in beginning day trading. So I've realized that I've never made an overview of my channel, my purpose of my channel, and what exactly is on my channel. I haven't made a structural video yet, so this video is going to do that. If you're not a beginner to cryptocurrencies or to day trading, I would recommend not watching this video because this is going to be more aimed at getting beginners started and getting traders who might not be profitable to become profitable. Alright, let's get started, guys. So the first thing I want to talk about is that 90% of traders will fail. So the truth is the majority of the people watching this video are probably going to lose more money than they gain. And I found that there are two main reasons why this happens. And the first reason is just emotion. And the two most prevalent emotions in trading are greed and fear. Greed being when the price is skyrocketing up, many traders buy, price then eventually starts crashing as many traders have bought, and there aren't traders willing to buy above that price. And then those traders become trapped in their positions and hold on for a long time for a loss. And then there's also fear, where you're in a position and price quickly turns against you and you sell because you believe the price will go down farther, you're afraid of losing money, and then the price rebounds back up. You actually would have been fine, you would have made money, but in that trade you lost money. So greed and fear, you can also Google these, and CNN does a great job. CNN Money does a great job of showing the greed and fear ratio for stocks and Forex and some other markets. The other thing I want to talk about is also focus and multitasking. I found that my best trading always comes when I'm focused, when I know what I'm doing, when I've exercised, or when I've eaten well, when I've slept for a good amount of time, when I'm ready. Usually the morning and the night are when I'm trading the best. But sometimes when I am trading, I am multitasking, I'm doing many things at once that I have to do, and that usually means that I lose money. So I'd highly recommend watching this video or any other video, or even when you're trading yourself, to not multitask, to instead set a timer for about 10-15 minutes, or if it's a video, watch the video all the way through, take notes if you want to, and just do your absolute best not to multitask. Because if you cannot, if you don't multitask and you don't leave focus, then you will become in the upper tier of traders already, because you will soak in more information that others won't, and you will also be more disciplined in your approach to it. So the first thing I want to talk about in this slide is, no, I did not misspell hold. On Reddit, there are different subreddits where many people talk about hodling, HODL, holding on for dear life, and that's an investment strategy where you invest in a cryptocurrency and it turns against you and you hold that until it turns into a profit. So should you day trade or more invest in cryptocurrencies? That's really up to you. This channel is geared towards day traders. This channel is not really geared toward long-term investing. Personally, I don't like long-term investing in cryptocurrencies because I believe that A, the gains can be much larger if you're a good day trader than a good investor in crypto, and B, I also think that you can lose a lot more money by holding on to a position than you can day trading and cutting your losses quickly. So there are many pros and cons to both strategies, but I would recommend more trading over investing. But if you'd rather invest in Ethereum or invest in Bitcoin because you believe in its future, that is absolutely fine. But just know your trading strategy and don't go from trading to investing and back again, because that probably isn't the best idea. So why trade? First of all, I would say the main reason that I got into trading was that it was fun and interesting. I found the pattern recognition part to be really cool, the patterns to be very cool, and I began trading stocks, and then I moved into Forex, foreign exchange, currency trading, and then I moved into crypto when I saw how volatile the market was and how much data you have in the market with order flow and volume. And then, of course, the golden reason why most traders trade, which is financial freedom. If you can make your own living off trading, that's quite impressive. And that's what a lot of traders go for. So now onto my channel, and in the next slide we're going to talk about just how a beginner can get started in using my channel and also just in general. So I have 4 different playlists in my playlist section of my channel, which is the trading challenge, the strategy, predictions, and candlestick practice. The trading challenge playlist is geared towards just showing you guys my trade, my thought process, my losses, my gains right now. And yeah, my strategy is just showing you guys some strategies that you can use, some market analyses. Predictions is looking at Ethereum and looking at Bitcoin and predicting where I think it will head or important levels that it might bounce off of. And then finally, candlestick practice. I also have a playlist that allows you guys to guess where you think price will go just based on trading candlesticks and looking at candlestick formations and using that to predict. So finally, the slide you've probably been waiting for, beginner starter pack. So I would recommend these 5 videos if you are a complete beginner or just a slight beginner in trading or in crypto trading. These 5 videos I've selected because I think it's a good balance between candlesticks and price patterns, technical analysis with a simple 5-minute trading strategy. That's an indicator video. How to read candlesticks is more technical analysis, price patterns. Order flow trading level 1, that's just looking at volume live. And then I would also recommend Fibonacci because I think that Fibonacci levels are very important. And I think that that series that I did is one of my best, my Fibonacci trading strategy series. And then finally, also 1 candlestick trading practice video. Currently, I have 4 trading practice videos where I show you guys some candlesticks and you guess his price's direction like I mentioned before. So this video is just a simple video to intro to my channel and to show you guys what to do to get started and how to be in the 10% of traders. Thanks guys for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments.